Hey everyone, welcome to some Xcode tips and tricks. Today we're covering 5 game-changing hacks to boost your productivity and master Xcode like a pro. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned developer, these tips will save you time and make coding way smoother. Let's go ahead and dive on in. First up, multi-cursor editing. Did you know you can edit multiple lines of code at the same time? Here's how. You can hold Option while dragging your mouse, and you can see that we have 3 lines here, and I'm going to add current to all 3 of these lines. So now they say current name, current age, and current role. So as you type, you apply those changes to all selected lines simultaneously. This simple trick makes batch editing super quick. Next, let's talk about refactoring tools in Xcode. We can rename variables, methods, or classes across our entire project in just seconds. So I'm going to select a name here on line 35, and by using Control and Command and E, you'll notice that we highlight the variable that we want to change here, and you can notice at the very top on line 4 it's also been changed. And let's change this to be my new name. And we can see that that change is being made in both places. You can also refactor by right-clicking on an object, refactor rename, and you'll get the same result, my age. And the nice thing about this one is as you're in this view, you can kind of see those changes in a much more consolidated way. Any reference of that age will be appearing on the screen. And we can hit rename and our code will also update. Refactoring isn't just for renaming, it works for extracting methods or converting code between types too. Tip number 3 is a hidden gem, the code snippet library. We can reuse code blocks with a simple drag and drop. So this is found in the top right corner here. We have this plus button, and you can see that we have a whole list of options to choose from. So we can even search. So if we wanted to say add a VStack, we can grab this vertical stack, drag and drop. We can also add some text here. And you can see how just by using the drag and drop, we even get some placeholders. You even add things like buttons. You're able to use these to really save a whole bunch of time. We can also grab code snippets here. We can reference if statements, and we can even drag and drop these in. So say we wanted an if else statement, we could totally drag that into our code and go from there. Code snippets make repetitive tasks a breeze, boosting speed and consistency in your projects. You can use these templates for if-else statements, common views in SwiftUI, or boilerplate methods. Right, next up is if you're building a SwiftUI app, those live previews in Xcode are a game changer. You can see your UI updates in real time. We can see that anytime we've made a change, our right side here, the preview has updated, and we can even interact with different objects. So here we're toggling the dark mode. If we were to change any of the text, hello world, we can see that that's now being added to the screen in real time. You even have some more options within the preview. You can pause your app. You can refresh your app with this play button here. You also have the ability to see different color scheme variants. So if you want to compare your light mode and your dark mode, as well as the different orientations that your phone might be in, and you can see all of these in real time. You also have the option to change how your canvas looks. So if you always want to be testing, say, a dark appearance, you can do so here, as well as seeing the different font sizes that users will have via dynamic type. All right, last but certainly not least, we can use jump to definition to navigate to our code bases faster than ever. So we can actually hold command and click on a function, class, or variable name to instantly jump to its definition. So here on line 88, the increment counter, I'm going to hold command and click, and we're going to jump to the function in which it's defined. So we can easily trace how our code flows across files and avoid endless searching. So this feature is essential for debugging or working on large projects with lots of dependencies. We even click on this counter, we can see where that's being declared in the variable. And that's it, 5 Xcode tips and tricks to take your coding skills to the next level. From multi-cursor editing to live previews, these hacks will save you so much time and make development a whole lot smoother. If you found these tips to be helpful, hit the like and subscribe button for more Swift content. Dream big, code bigger, and we'll see you next time.